Hello YouTube, welcome back to multi-channel surfaces and entertainment. This video will be about showing some of collection. I like always to collect those multi tools, knives, and for camping as a hobby. And so I thought to share this with you, and hopefully you like. And please consider subscribe, share, and check out other videos in our multi-channel. You might like one. And all the best, and stay tuned. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. I got this box with kind of 1, 2, 4, 6 different type of tools and multi-functional tool from a long time ago, like about 20 years ago, from a store, second-hand store, Sunday market, and I got it for like $20. And so let's take a look quick about this one first. It is stainless steel, and the part number. And so they are pretty good ones, they got multi functional things, knife, very sharp knife, this one, very sharp, and kind of a saw or something, and also it's got can opener, and maybe this one looks like a flat screwdriver, or a Phillips screwdriver, and yeah, so, and it is really good one, and of course the pliers. So this is the one here. This is kind of a nice tiny pliers with a flat screwdriver and Phillips one, and it can be folded like that, and the finish is really nice and everything. Yeah, that's a nice one. This is just a regular flashlight. I don't think it has any, just maybe it's burned, I don't know, but there's no battery, so okay. Yeah, no batteries, so just a regular flashlight. There's another tiny one, and it's good for a model chain. Yeah, it's kind of a really tiny one. It's got scissor, small tiny scissor. This one also barrel opener, and this is a Pepsi opener, or this other bottle opener. Very sharp saw, knife, another one, and the scissor too. What else? Yeah, maybe another one here. Flat Phillips screwdriver. I don't know what's this. Another something here, and the knife. So it's got, there's 5 here, and then there are 5 here. So that's 10, 11. Well, that's 11 in one. It's pretty cool. This is very sharp knife, and the way to put it back again, press here and then pull. So it's pretty nice, a box. This one is 12 in one, multi-plier tool, and China, made in China. And this one I got it from Princess Auto. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 here. So 4, 4, 8. The pliers, it's 10. I mean 9, and measure tape 10. So 12. Maybe cutting here. Oh, okay, I don't know what's number 13. Okay. Power first, and it's very soft to hand. You can also, when you do this, it'll become like a measure tape. You can measure things. Very nice. Okay. This one, it's also pretty cool for the belt. You can put it, and so this one, it's ox, very sharp. A socket for opening thing, hammer. I like this one. It's very handy, and it can do a lot of things. Measure tape here, a saw, file, another saw, very sharp one, with things like this, and opener, a Pepsi opener, and a Phillips screwdriver. Very sharp knife. That's it. Yeah, I just put some grease here so that does not get rusty. It's also missing a cover, black cover here. It's missing, but it's very nice tool actually. Also, I got this from Wish. I think I'll put link where I can. But like some of the stuff I got them really cheap online. Some of them from local store. But this one also I think available at Princess Auto for I think $11. I got this from Wish about $7. Some of them from AliExpress or Wish or the Amazon, or sometimes I buy from Alibaba too. And very nice piece too. You know, it's good to have it in a car with you for camping. You know, as a hobby, doing collecting things just like me. This one is very nice actually, and also it's got for a holder for the belt. And this one also I got it. I think this is from Princess Auto, but I bought them from. You can find them on Princess Auto for about $12 or $11. They were on sale, and I don't know how much they are now. But yeah, I got this from AliExpress. It's about $10 each or something. Also, it's got a hammer, an ox, pliers, and it's got yeah, it's very heavy duty pliers, very nice. And what else? So let's see. Oh, very sharp. So flat screwdriver for opening cans and stuff. Phillips screwdriver, another saw, and a knife. Wood hand, and it's a pretty good piece, very nice. I like this. Skewer to skewer it in. Here's another cool multi-functional pliers or tools too. It's got this for belt holder, and yeah, this one is very smooth to handle and everything, and stainless steel, very nice design. It's got a file here, flat screwdriver, and Phillips screwdriver, and a knife. This side, very sharp saw, opening cans and stuff, and I don't know what's this, but yeah, another like a flat screwdriver or something. Very nice to have this for camping, and to be honest with you, I never had a chance to go for camping. I don't know why I collect those tools, but I like them since when I was young, and they are I found them after, you know, I didn't buy them in one time, but I collect them every time I go shopping. If I go online, sometimes I find them on sale, really good deal, so I just buy them. And otherwise those things can get expensive sometimes. Like Walmart, they sell them $30, similar to this one or so, but this one I got it like I believe it's from Princess Auto. I think I got it maybe for $8 or something. So when they are on sale, it's good to you know, it's a good opportunity to buy them. And here is another cool multi-functional tool, also holder for the belt, very nice bag, and you can also open this like that. So it's got few screws, screw bit, drill bits here, and missing few. I lost some of them. Yeah. Okay, so it's got this one also. It's a little tough. I think this one is good for fishing. It's a little bit tough actually to open. So yeah, so there's measure tape. This measure tape here, and yeah, I think it's good for fishing. Cost, I don't know, it's missing this. So they are like not really the originals, that's made in China, cheap made, and you can see here there's some of the part is just falling down, like this one piece here, another piece missing. But anyway, so this one has got the scissor and yeah, this one for holding screwdrivers and stuff, bit, and very sharp knife, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and a very sharp needle here too. Very nice piece, I like it. Coast Pro racket, fishing, yeah, that's what, pliers, fishing pliers. Here's another good one too, and this one also has got a few here, also a knife, and you know, yeah, so, and it's got this side. This side is, be careful when you open those, very sharp actually, and it's got, here we go. So here, sometimes it's hard to open those because they are stuck hard, and yeah, it's very cool, I like it. So those knives are really sharp. Maybe it's good to wear gloves when you open those kind of stuck in here, so you don't get yourself cut. This is another cool small multi-functional pliers. So this one also, I think it's this one is 7-in-1 maybe. So yeah, this knife, so here where to hold, if you want to hold by chain or something, metal chain. Here is the, I don't know what's this for, but yeah, flat screwdriver, I'm sorry, Phillips screwdriver, and a file. You need to have a fingernail so you can open those. If you don't have one, then it will be really tough to open one. So this is a flat screwdriver, can openers and stuff. This one also, and so 4 here, 4, 8. Yeah, this one is 10-in-1, I think. 11-in-1, yeah, because it got color too, you can cut, and pliers. Very nice one, and small too. I got this from AliExpress for about $4. This one long time ago. That's not now, probably it's more expensive, or maybe they don't have them anymore. This is very nice actually. This one, very nice one. And here's my wood and metal. Everything is metal. Steel is steel, and it is China. Steel is steel, China. So this one, it is, I don't know if you can see, promotions. Very sharp actually. You can see how sharp is this. To get this one, it took me a while to figure out how this one can fold back, and you just press here, and then push. Press, push. Very nice. You can put some here rope to carry it with rope or a chain or something. So you see this, how sharp is it? This is just a cardboard piece. Very sharp, can't believe it. See how thick is this? Very thick. Unbelievable. Yeah, very sharp. Another cool multi-functional, and this one you can carry it either way, built like that, holder, belt holder, or like this. So either way. And yeah, oh, this one is a scissor. Okay, to open this, see, you can't do this unless if you here. So now you can use it. Very sharp also. See how sharp is this? Very sharp. And this one is also good for maybe camping, fishing, I guess. Yeah, another sharp. This also very, very, very sharp. Actually, I can't even touch it. And anyway, so but this one looks like loose. You see that? I don't know, for some reason. I got this from Walmart. That's the bad thing about this. Here's, look, this one is tight. Oh, now it's tight. So when you open both, here, now, oh yeah, now it's tight. It's good. And there's a knife with this thing, like teeth or something. This side, and a knife too. Wow, very nice. Oh, so yeah, to just first you want to lock it like this. So how this is how you lock it. And this is very tiny. It's good to carry with your maybe a car keys or something, so you can carry this with you. And to open this, like that one, and then you go like that. Very tiny. And so you can cut. It's got a little bit cut here for wiring stuff, maybe the pliers, and it's got a file. Small knife. Yeah, it's not sharp at all. Small Phillips screwdriver. This is a knife. That's it. You can do each. This one. Kind of. So I put link on most of those, if I have any record of them, where I did buy them. So you can, if you, oh, there's also small cover, holder, a belt holder. Another nice one too, same thing, a belt holder. And this one's got flashlight, LED, but it doesn't work because maybe the battery are either dead or missing, maybe. Yeah. So those battery, maybe not, they dead. Here, and yeah, I don't know, the battery did, I'm sure, but so that's how it's a little tough. So let's see what's in here. Knife, tough to open. Saw, and those tiny flat Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver. Nice piece. This is very cool, all-in-one hammer. I mean, maybe 4, 6-in-1. Yeah, so we'll find out. These are made of, I think it's brass. Looks like it's not metal, it's a brass. And very cool. So, of course, nail puller, hammer, and to open this, flat screwdriver, and another Phillips screwdriver, and one more. Beautiful. Another flat screwdriver here, small tiny Phillips screwdriver, and this. Very nice. I like this. And put it back again, just like that. Oh, this piece first. And this one goes like that. Another here. Or maybe, yeah. Lock everything down. Oh, I probably missed something. So yeah, here you put this one in like that, and then you screw this one in. This one goes like that. This one goes like that. Very nice one. And this is a small one, smaller size. So that's this is the big one, and this is the small one. This one also same thing. So you open this, and it's got very nice one. I like it. This one is also pretty cool. So that's utility knife, and it's heavy duty. And here's, you can hold it on a pocket or something. To replace this, simply push this like that, and this one comes out. So it's very razor blade sharp. So to put it back again, and it's locked. And to push it back again, actually press this, and then back again. Nice. And that's a lubricant of what's called Swiss utility knife, or yeah, utility tool. So it's got here are the Phillips Screwdriver and other things here, and the bottle opener. This side, knife, not very sharp, just a regular saw. Another saw. Can opener. Another one. And the scissor. One, two, three, four, five. 4 here. So that's, oh, there's 5, another 5. So that's 10. And then one more, 11. 11 in one. This one, it's very, very heavy duty, very heavy, all metal, and it's got the, you can hold it with a bucket or a belt. And to open this, but simply press and push like that. Put it back again. Very heavy duty, and it's heavy, hard to open, so the kids cannot open it. And also, this is very sharp actually. So to put it back, this one, just like that. To replace this, open and pull, push. Very nice piece. Here you can put some rope, hold it by rope or something. And this one is 21 in 1. 21 in 1 John Bunsen tools, 6-inch. And so yeah, this is also great for camping. Let's see what's inside here. So you can see this. You can carry with your belt and stuff like that. Large knife, small can opener, bottle opener, fish, oh yeah, fish scaler, file, 3 screws, and all the stuff here, accessories, plain, file, okay. Made in China. All the screws bit here, all the size. This is the knife, very sharp knife. Wow. Okay, and also can opener, flat screwdriver, you know, and measure tape, and I don't know what's this. Okay. Very nice, and then carry bag. So this basically, okay, so that's how it goes like that. This one goes like that, I think. This is also a cool tiny multifunctional plier, and it's got, you can carry the chain carrier, and also it's got those ones, and it's got the knife. Okay, those, I don't know what are those for. You know, like I never try. I mean, I use them sometimes, but not all the time. So I forgot some kind of what's this for or this, you know. But yeah, if you read about them, you'll know. There's measure tape also. Measuring. Sorry, not measure tape. I mean measuring roller. So you can measure things. Nice one. Some of them very hard to open. Some of them flexible, easy to. And because I like those are good to keep on very dry place. And because they easy get rusted if there is any moisture, and you know, if they get hard to open, use maybe WD-40, and it's easy to get them loose. Now this knife, it's very kind of unique, because you see this is nice done style here. It looks like epoxy, and so to open this, see, okay, it has a lock here, you see that? So this lock, now it's locked, no one can open it, and releasing this, and just like that opens. Very sharp, like super sharp. And now it's locked, and yeah, I forgot now how to fold it. Oh, here. So basically you want to push this, like you see here. That's why it's unique. Very sharp, can't believe it. Anyway, this is almost similar to this, but almost the same. This one, however, it's heavy duty, kind of. Yeah, this is almost the same, but this is heavy duty metal, stainless steel. This has got a plastic hand grip. So this one, Also similar, like it's got scissor, can opener, another one, looks like a saw, it's not sharp, a knife, and sharp. Oh no, this is not sharp too. A saw, another saw. So this side also. Some of them hard to open. It was too hard to open. Just like that. We got 5 here, 6, and 5 here. Yeah, those are really tough to open, so you can see how hard they are. For some reason, you know, I already kind of made a small scratch in my finger here, so, and a little bit here too. It's tough to open, and so be careful when you open those, and you can easily get your hand cut maybe. So yeah, so this all like I was shown about this one, green light, and there's other yellow, green. So there's a green and blue also. It's the same thing, and very hard to open. Also, it's got the same thing, all those in here, and the light also. Light does not work because the battery are dead. This one is cool too. It's very small, and this one is not tough like the others. It's easy to open, and also it's got a few. This one, this one, this one. This side also. Knife and stuff. You can carry it, even put some rope or something, you can carry it with you. Small one, easy to carry with your pocket, you know, for this one also. It's small, and it's got scissor and flat screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver, can opener, and this is scissor too. And there is no knife. Oh, there's no knife. Wild cut. And it's really important to have this with you if you go for camping. It's got nail puller and a hammer, and this it's good for cutting wood and stuff like that. And yeah, good to have this. I like this one. Very well made. Hand is plastic, and it looks like very strong, so it's good to have this for camping. This one, Eco Blast Sport. So this one, it's used for sport, like volleyball or something. And also this one, it's you can fill it with air, and it also can be used for camping to scare the animal, like a bear or something, because this one I tried it. It's very loud. I can't try it now, it's night, neighbor is sleeping. Maybe if I try, everyone will wakes up, and it's very noisy actually. So just use a regular air pump, and this one takes about 27 psi or 25 psi, not much. Don't put a lot of air, otherwise maybe it will explode. So just here, and then push it back, and then press. A little bit air left here, so you can hear. Yeah, it's very noisy air. Yeah, this is sound. So yeah, air sound, air instead of Z. It's very loud actually, and it's cool to have this for camping, to scare the bear or anything or animals like. Okay, that's a good one to have. And I got this from also a second-hand store, and it's available online. this is very cool. You can do a lot of fun with it if you go for camping, and you may be laughing, but this one actually is very strong. I tried it before, and it can throw the stone for like very far away. So be careful, it can hurt someone really bad. And so the way you hold it like this, and just like you pull, yeah, just like that. So it's got you can hold it, and then you pull. It's very nice, well made. It's very simple. This one is available on Princess Auto for like maybe $10 or something, and it's really nice one. I tried it before, and it's amazing. It can throw stone like almost like maybe 400 meters or maybe less or so, but very good one. It's very simple, but it's made good. There's screws here in the back too, and so yeah, it's good for maybe like camping and have fun, throw stones and stuff like that. Aiming actually it's pretty good. You can aim with it. I tried it, and aiming is really good. So it's hard to miss if you get close by and you're aiming on like trees or something, or you put like a can, empty can, and you're trying to aim it with, you can do a lot of fun with this if you go for camping, or it's good stuff to have. And also, by the way, this is just craft. What's called the camper theft. No, yeah, this one is for like crafting by wood or something. Cutting. This is also very sharp knife, so it's good for like people doing some drawing or something on the wood, or it's a good piece to have, this one. So it's also pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all subscribers and to everyone who supports this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and check out other videos in our multi-channel services and entertainments. We upload video regularly, and so you never know what next video will be. But please let us know what mostly you like about those multi-functional tool, which one you like the most, and if you like also like to collect the multi-functional plier or tool, share this video. Let us know of what you like, what you don't like, or something. So thank you so much again. All the best, and see you next video.